In this video, I'm going to explain what the YouTube TV home network is and how it works. The home network is a key feature of YouTube TV that determines where you can stream content without restrictions. When you sign up for YouTube TVs, the service automatically detects and registers your primary internet network as your home network. This is typically the Wi-Fi or internet connection at your residential address. While connected to your home network, you can enjoy all of YouTube TV's features, including live TV, on-demand content, and unlimited cloud DVR recordings. You can also stream on multiple devices simultaneously, up to 3 streams with the standard plan or more if you've added the unlimited screens upgrade. If you leave your home network, such as when traveling, YouTube TV allows streaming from outside your home, but enforces certain restrictions. For example, your device must remain within the United States, and some features like offline downloads may not be available. Additionally, YouTube TV periodically verifies your location to ensure compliance with their terms of service. To check or update your home network, log in to your YouTube TV account. Go to Settings and look under the Location section. Keep in mind that your home network is tied to your subscription, so frequent changes might require contacting customer support. And that's all there is to it. If this video helped you understand what YouTube TV home network is, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.